So this isn't the actual unboxing, but I kind of put it back together because I wanted you guys to see how it's put together. And so I've had some problems recently. I think I lost my queen because they were backfilling a lot of honey. I never really felt like she was producing a lot of eggs and anyway, so the hive is also mean as hell. Every time I go over there, they sting me. It's not me, it's them. Ever since I've had them, they piss me off every day. So when I saw lack of eggs and I saw that I needed, to requeen because she was mean, then I said, well, let me try out these guys at Barnyard Bees. So I conveniently took my own address off there. But these guys, I ordered this for $40. And I think I have to pay for shipping. So then there's his health certificate and everything. So I like the box though, because the smart way to open this is like this. Just like David, I'm one-handed right now. So when I opened it, they had already poked a lot of holes in it and everything. You can kind of see the holes just to help breathe. This is actually stapled to the box through the back right there. So I thought that was well thought out. It was also, let me get right here, it was stapled through the sugar side, so no big deal. So I pull that off, and there she is. There is one that's dead in there, if you see that one guy not moving. She's sort of small. She's a lot smaller than some of my others, but she looks large enough to say she's mated. She's just not swole. So anyway, the little holes on the side are kind of venting there, and I guess the red X on the back means that it's marked. So anyway, I was pretty impressed myself. I've had companies where I ship things before and where I ship them long distances, and I never really had to ship any kind of live insects or anything. So I was fairly impressed with how well it was packaged. Thanks, guys.